To enable or disable one-handed mode in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on additional settings. After that we'll be able to find the one-handed mode, and then you can activate it or deactivate it with this switch. And now to actually use it, no matter which navigation method you have active, it will always happen on the bottom side right here. So now you can swipe from the center to the right or left to call out the one-handed mode, which will lower notifications bar or status bar to half of the screen so you can access it with one hand. Now, as you can see, it works fine. And to remove it, you need to perform a same thing, or actually you can just swipe up. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.